In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Jira Work Management. To get started, open Jira Work Management and go to the project you want to manage. This is the workspace where your team's tasks, deadlines, and progress are organized. Once you're inside the correct project, you're ready to begin working with the list view. Next, look at the sidebar on the left side of the project and click List. This opens your work in a simple table layout, which is one of the easiest ways to scan, manage, and update tasks quickly. Instead of opening each task one by one, you can see everything in a structured format all in one place. Once the list view is open, take a moment to review the tasks already in your project. You'll typically see important details such as the task name, current status, assignee, due date, and priority. This gives you a fast overview of what needs attention, who is responsible for each item, and how urgent the work is. It's especially helpful when you want to check progress at a glance or prepare for a quick team review. If you need to add a new task, click Create Issue or Add Item depending on what appears in your project. Enter a clear task name so it's easy to recognize later. Then fill in any useful details, such as a description, the assignee, a due date, and the priority level. Adding these details up front makes the task easier to manage and helps everyone understand what needs to be done. When you're finished, save the task to add it to the list. One of the biggest advantages of List View is that you can edit tasks directly from the table. Simply click into a field within the task row, such as the assignee, due date, or priority, and make your change right there. You don't need to open the full task page for small updates, and in most cases, the changes save automatically, which makes task management much faster. You can also use filters at the top of the list to narrow down what you're viewing. For example, you can filter by status, assignee, priority, or due date. This is useful when you only want to focus on certain work items, like overdue tasks or tasks assigned to a specific person. To organize your list even further, click any column header to sort your tasks. You might sort by due date to see what's coming up next, by priority to focus on urgent work, or by assignee or status to review team workload and progress. Finally, to update the progress of a task, click the status field and choose the appropriate option, such as to do, in progress, or done. Keeping statuses updated helps your project stay accurate and makes it much easier to track work over time.